Hello there. Today I want to talk about something. Webcams are a pain in the ass, like on desktop. I have to take the camera, put it on my PC, put it in the USB, then deal with my software not recognizing it half the time because OBS is really weird with that for some reason. Like my computer will know it, but OBS won't. It's weird shit. It's annoying. So no more. No more webcam, no more none of that shit. I fixed the problem by replacing it with this. You're seeing the result of my great work already. And making this was... This is not correct. What the hell? Why is it not correct? The fuck? Wait a second, what the fuck? It was interesting. It had its, frustrating moments. It had times of me being annoyed. This shouldn't happen. This shouldn't happen. But it happens. And I want to understand why this happens. Why is this why is the thing not properly centered? Because we are adding the group to the window, not the individual thing. And we are applying the thing into the group. Why is the group not on the top? It's meant to apply in the center. Why are we not doing that? What are we doing here? Like we're applying window height too, and suddenly it's not in the center. Why is it not in the center? It had times of me being very happy, very excited. I. Yes, it works. Now we can random switch direction. But overall, I used some programming stuff I haven't really used before, and learned things. I also just made something cool. I got to this thing is I have been using this in streams since then, and I like this thing. It's fun. It's cool, and it's an experience if nothing else. So it's super cool. I like this thing, and what I used to make is something called Pygame. So I'm using the programming language of Python, and Pygame is a library in Python, a module that effectively gives it some features you would use in game development, but these also are useful elsewhere. Because, for example, it allows you to configure a visible window, and that window allows you to put images on it. It allows you to put visuals and then transform those visuals. So I can change the size, change the position, rotate things, etc. And that's how you can get all of these animations and whatnot what you're seeing. And I use something called PyAudio to take the microphone input, and then I just run the animations based on whether there's audio input or not. So, it's all working pretty good. But, of course, the question becomes, how do we handle that? How do we deal with this situation? How do we make that useful? And that's just by using it. I wrote the code such that I can configure it. So if I need to change the threshold of how loud I have to speak, there's an easy variable I can change. If I want to, I don't know, change how intense the animation is, I can change that. There's all the things that are just made to be so that I can adapt them, change them to the rest of my streaming recording setup very easily. So going forward, you'll be seeing, instead of a webcam or nothing, you'll be seeing this puppet tube, or as I like to call it, puppet tube cam. I have also released a script, open source, it's out there, I think under the MIT license or something. I'll have it linked down below, so you can check it out if you want to, it by default includes this Pepperchu image, but you can use it with any like image. You just need to cut the image into 2 parts and then use those as 2 different images. So yeah, just a little announcement of something I've been working on stream. I hope you enjoy seeing this thing going forward. I think it's really fun. I think it's you know, an interesting thing to have, and I just love my Pikachu plushie. It's so cute. It's so cool. It's so funny, and ugly as shit, but I love it. So yeah, goodbye.